kind of thing. I wish I could have big garbage.
Ooh. Lakad. Dadaan?
Pineapple plants look very weird.
Why?
I'm not really scared.
Natatakot.
It's part of our house.
Yeah.
Part of our house. Come on.
Lakad na. What?
You can build a house.
There?
Look at the Jane.
Ha?
I can still feel the shaking. It's in my mind, the shaking.
Big.
Like tinago.
You focus on the adventure?
But then it's like tinago.
Okay. Hi guys! Ang ganda dito. Adventure. Kaso nakakahingal. O sige, let's see. Let's go back.
What's over there? What's over there?
What? It's a way. I don't know. If titibo chalaw.
The Wonderland. Wonderland.
Op. Op.
Let's go.
Dami ko ng plan.
I can see it. Kaya nga tawag for me.
That's the too scary. The too scared. Oh. Takot.
Also very fun.
Oh, hawak-hawak pa oh.
Hey, wait.
Ay, ang ganda ng flowers. Uy, lakad. What?
Look at that flower. Look at that flower. Oh, where?
Kan. Hi guys! Ah! Oops. It's so scary. What?
Did you get your feet wet? Does
Oh, malakas ang tuba. Wait, nagbibideo ko. What? It's a Philippine native dog. baka magpapakamatay na.
Oh, there's a beetle. There's a beetle. Look, Ate Sophie.
Oh, slow.
They're going up. Come on. Look, they're going up. Them.
Wait lang. Si Tito Butch. Iwanan natin si Tito Butch. Daddy, iwanan ka na lang daw namin.
Look there, they're up there. Now. That's a hard way up, but it's... Nauna na lang tayo, sabi.
For you, eh. Oh, wait lang.
Hey, it's clearer here.
And it's deeper.
Where's the water?
Yeah, gusto ko na siya. Ala, kakatakot. Grabe naman tong din.
Ako muna. Ako hindi.
Grabe si ate. Pinadaan tayo dito. Yung babae kasi sabi niya, may daan daw dito.
Hurry up.
Ay, wag kang makulit.
You're going so slow. Why can I?
Gi, kaya mo yan. Ako.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Yes.
Uy, wag kang malikot. Sige. Sige.
Ang tagal mo.
Wag kang makulit. Alam mo, as in Sophia, wala. Wait lang, Esther. Nakakatakot naman. Grabe naman yung daan.
Go up.
Don't hold Tito Butch kasi mag-run siya pag hinabol siya.